I'm going to show you something I spent all day yesterday trying to figure out how the heck this thing works. So, it says right here in the directions, which aren't any, installation instructions, go to this website. I go to the website, I don't see really anything about it at all. So, got the rubber seal here. I'm thinking your 2-inch pipe's going to come in here. Well, that does not allow it to slide on there. That's just way too tight. So, watched several videos. Nobody really mentions it. Finally, I saw one that mentions, oh, you got to take off the top here. You got to use this for a slotted screwdriver. You can unscrew this. Then you can pull it out. Wow, what an idea. So now your tube goes through there. This goes through there. Tighten it back on there. But don't do what I did, which is I tried dry fitting it to see if everything was going to work. It works really good. So I could not get the tube out once this thing had clamped onto it. So I spent a good amount of time, and I think I ruined it by using a pick to pull it out, and finally got enough to get a pair of pliers on it, needle nose, to pull it out, but put some holes in that top ring. So yeah, it's probably okay, but you have to buy a new one. So save yourself $6, learn how to do it the right way.